Your body has been working for you every second of every day since the day you were born. It repairs you while you sleep, protects you from disease. It gives you the strength and energy to live your life. But many of us unknowingly make the same mistakes every day that slowly wears it down. These are the 5 things I would beg you to stop doing. First, stop sitting for hours without moving. Even a few minutes of walking or stretching every hour improves circulation, reduces stiffness, and supports your heart and metabolism. Second, stop living on ultra-processed foods. Your body craves real nutrient-rich foods that reduce inflammation and help every cell function at its best. And third, stop allowing chronic stress to control your life. Constant stress raises cortisol, disrupts sleep, weakens your immune system, and accelerates aging. Fourth, stop cheating yourself on sleep. Quality sleep is when your brain, muscles, and hormones and immune system recover and repair. And lastly, fifth, stop avoiding strength training and regular movement. As you age, muscles is one of your greatest protectors. It supports your metabolism, strengthens your bones, improves your balance, and helps you stay independent. Do these 5 things, and I promise you, your body will love